We are going to review top 5 best heavy-duty walker with seat and wheel. List number 1. Drive Medical RTL 10266 BK Nitro Foldable Rollator. The Nitro Foldable Rollator Walker with seat combines advanced features including large front wheels and an ultra-compact fold with a sophisticated exterior. Great for travel and everyday use even on rough terrain. The folding rollator walker easily collapses to an ultra-compact size with one hand. Simply pull the seat grip up and bring the handles close together. Just 17.5 pounds. It stows in the trunk or back seat with ease. The removable back is high-adjustable. List number 2. MEDLINE Rollator Walker with Seat. A rollator allows you to safely walk along or sit on the padded seat if you become tired. Unlike a regular walker, a rollator doesn't involve the lift that a normal medical walker requires, making walking a smoother process. The MEDLINE steel rolling walker features 6-inch wheels, a padded seat with a storage bag underneath, and height-adjustable hand grips. Supports up to 350 pounds and weighs 19 pounds. List number 3. CAREX Steel Rollator Walker with Seat. The adult walker is perfect for seniors, handicapped, disabled, or those needing assistance walking. Rest easy while traveling, out for a drive, or at home knowing you'll always have a comfortable seat while getting around. Reinforced rollator walker frame holds up to 350 pounds. Walker folds easily for transportation and is easy to assemble, set up, and adjust. CAREX is a trusted brand of walkers for seniors, handicapped, and the elderly. List number 4. OASISSPACE Heavy-Duty Upright Walker 450 lb. Enables 450 lb users to stand up and look ahead with better support, greater dignity, and greater confidence to walk farther and remain active. More comfortable compared to other walkers and rollators because it reduces stress and pain on joints in your wrists, back, and legs. OASISSPACE Heavy-Duty Upright Walker is tailor-made for elderly with mobility difficulties or provides support throughout your rehabilitation after an accident or injury. List number 5. HEALCONNEX Rollator Walkers for Seniors. Multi-terrain large 8-inch wheels are suitable for driving on all types of surfaces. 306 swivel anti-skid wheels providing ease of movement and enhanced maneuverability. 2 brakes for extra safety and protection. 1 brake for rolling speed control. Another one is caster brake for parking when stop and rest. Pull to apply the brakes. Push down to lock rear wheels when sitting down. Foldable and portable design allows you to adjust the width of the rollator when navigating narrow space, and the whole rollator can be folded easily with one hand. Foldable design makes it easier in transport.